Got some good work done in the shop today. I have assembled the major elements of the cabinet drawer section, and those are all glued up and got very tight pocketed joints in there. Everything is level and square, even when it's assembled. I'm assuming you can see that. The whole table is dead level. These wedges are absolutely brilliant. I'm falling in love with wedges. They're definitely worth the pain in the ass. And pegging joints. And I just realized that I did a bonehead maneuver. I put the cabinet section together before putting in the rails that are going to support the platform for my printer, which means it's going to be a bit of extra work to get that done, but that's cussing and sweating for another day. Anyway, as your good say, let me show you its features. This thing is coming together nice and square and solid. And check this out. Put my 200 pounds on it. Nothing. I mean, it is rock solid. Oh, for pegs, I'm using a template guide. On the unsupported side that doesn't have the cabinet section, all I really need is one peg to go through the through tenon to pin it in place. But I'm using 3 just to match up with the ones that are necessary on this side. Because those pegs have to go through a through tenon and then into these, I don't know what this is called, but basically these panel frame sections, because I didn't think the joints through before I started cutting. So always plan ahead. Prevents you from having to do more work than you have to. But it'll get done and it'll be nice. So far so good. I'm pretty pleased with this thing.